Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We have some fire deals going on at Dollar General right now. We have a 3-day sale coming up. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other videos that you might want to go and check out. We do have some run deals, we have new coupons, we have glitches, we have freebies, we have new clearance markdowns, penny list information, plus we still have all those sales going on totes. So if you missed anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, we're going to kick this video off with our 3-day sale. This one does start tomorrow on Thursday, December the 14th, and it's going to run through Saturday, December the 16th. So the first little deal that I want to talk about is on the Betty Crocker products. Here we have buy one of the Betty Crocker rainbow frostings and get the cake mix for free, but it is specifically on the rainbow products. So with this deal, if we're going by the prices that they have included in the ad, we are going to pay $2 for both items, which is a fantastic deal. But if you want to pick up 2 of each, we do have a one-off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3 for 4. And then we also have a $1 cashback offer, so if both of those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $2 for 4 products. Now, I did a little investigating in store, and it turns out that the Betty Crocker rainbow frosting is on sale right now for $1.65. So I'm not quite sure if DG just made a mistake or if the price will in fact go back up to $2 when this 3-day sale starts. But either way, we're going to be prepared. So if you want to pick up 2 of the frostings, that is going to put you at $3.30. We're going to get the 2 cake mixes for free, but we're still going to be able to use that one-off 3 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $2.30 for all 4. But if that DG cashback offer stacks, that's going to make your final price $1.30 for all 4 products, which is an absolutely amazing deal. All right, next up, we do have a few sales on the holiday candy. Buy 2, get 1 for free, and then here's a few more. If you want to pause the video, please feel free to do so. Up next, we have a fire deal on Legos. We have the City Camper or select Lego hero items. They're going to be 50% off. Now, I'm not sure if this specific Lego set will be included, but here we have the Star Wars Troopers. If it is included in this sale, that's going to bring it down to $10, and we do have a DG cashback offer for $3 back. So again, if it is included, that's going to make our final price $7, but we're going to have to keep an eye on it. I will let you guys know later on today in a community post. All right, up next, we also have the holiday plush. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off, and do not forget, we still have that promotion going on for when you spend $75 on toys in a single transaction. You're going to get an additional 25% off at the register. All right, up next, also included in our 3-day sale, we have our holiday novelty gifts, and we also have the automotive decals. Those are all going to be 25% off. Up next, we also have our holiday pajamas. We have the Sherpa jackets and the robes all on sale for $10 each. Next up, here's a really good deal on the Sherpa throws. Normally priced at $10, they're going to be 50% off. You're going to pay $5 during this 3-day sale. Next up, we have our holiday florals and the holiday candles. Those are going to be on sale. Buy 1, get 1 for free. And we also have the LED lights included in this sale. These are going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. Next up, we have the 40 quart holiday totes, normally priced at $12, but they're going to be on sale for $8. We also have the Dawn kitchen sponges and brushes. They're going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. Also included, we have the Cozy Place wax melts, normally priced at $4 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $6. Next up, here's a new coupon matchup. We have the Arm & Hammer Power Packs, 42 count. They're going to be on sale for $9, and we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6. Next up, we have the Mr. Clean Spin Mops, normally priced at $24. They're going to be on sale for $20, and if you want to do this deal, I would wait until Saturday and include it in with a 5 off $25 scenario. All right, now this next deal is only for Friday, December the 15th. We have most gift cards at 15% off. All right, guys, so that wraps up our 3-day sale, but we still have some amazing deals going on at Dollar General all week long, so let's go ahead and take a look at these weekly deals. Here we have some gift cards. The specific ones that are shown here are currently 10% off. Next up, we still have that sale, buy 1, get 1 free on all of our holiday decor items. We also have the holiday tins and the holiday food storage containers. These are all buy 1, get 1 half off. We also have our Toastmasters small appliances. These are normally $12 to $15 each, but they are on sale all week long for just $5. $2. Next up, we have the Mr. Clean mops and brooms. These are on sale for $10. And here we have an instant savings deal of $2 off when you purchase these Sterilite Latching Holiday Totes. This is on the 32 or the 64 quart. All right, up next, we have the Comfort Bay throws and blankets. These are on sale. Buy one, get one half off this week. All right, up next, we have our Snuggle All and Purex products. They are on sale this week for $3.75, and we have a $1.25 off one digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $2.50. But if you want to pick up these Snuggle products, we also have a Fetch Rewards bonus for 1,000 points back, which is the equivalent of $1, so that's going to make your final price just $1.50. Up next, we have the Kellogg cereal, the Nutri-Grain bars, the Special K bars, and the Pop-Tarts. They're all on sale 3 for $7 this week. If you want to pick up 3 boxes of the cereal, we do have a 1-off-3 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $6 for 3. All right, up next, we have the Purina Beneful Wet Dog Food Trays. These are on sale 2 for $2.65, and this sale does end this Saturday on December the 16th. Now, we've talked about this deal several times over the last couple of weeks. What you want to do is pick up a total of 3. We have a buy one, get one free digital coupon plus a $1.99 off 2 digital coupon. For some people at old register stores, that is coming out to be completely free. If that is you, we do have a 50-cent cashback offer now on our accounts. So if both of those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price completely free plus a $1.50 moneymaker. For others, this deal is coming out to be 66 cents here, but with that cashback offer, if both of those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price completely free plus an 84-cent moneymaker. So either way, it's a fantastic deal. All right, next up, I'm not going to mention the name of this product because I don't know how YouTube is with that kind of stuff, but these are priced at $5.50. We have that 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $2.50, but we also just received a cashback offer for $3 back. So if both of those stack, that's going to make it completely free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. All right, guys, so from here on out, the deals are pretty much self-explanatory. We have a lot of really good coupon matchups. I've tried to pick out the lowest out-of-pocket and the best deals for this week. We also have a lot of cashback offers that are making our final price super, super cheap. So I'm just going to let these kind of scroll across your screen. Again, if you need to pause the video, please feel free to do so. You can also speed it up or slow it down by clicking up in the top right-hand corner of your screen. There should be a little gearbox there. Click on playback speed, and then you can speed it up or slow it down from there. Also, I know that a lot of people have questions on the cashback offers. I am going to be posting an updated version to our how-to video for the DG cashback offer, so y'all stay tuned. Be on the lookout for that. And now we are almost to the end of the video. So again, I just want to remind everybody, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I tried to put together the best deals, the lowest out-of-pocket deals, the money makers, the glitches, all in one for you all. But y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because, you know, we have new deals popping up every single day. New coupons, new glitches, new cashback offers, new sales. Who knows what Dollar General is going to throw at us? So before you go, make sure that you do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, make sure that they are set to all, and of course, don't forget, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.